First, the collection kasi would start with pinya, no? Followed by sa fabrics. Buwan. Okay? Pag ginagawa nyo yun, napapansin nyo kanina, maganda. Yung parang bumato lang ha. No. Ang models lagi yan may kanto. So, ganito muna kayo. Lagi yan sila may kanto, okay? Here, establish ha. Then you can glance.